Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to SoundPEATS Air Conduction Headphones. These are the RunFree Lite Open-Ear Sports Bluetooth headphones with bass boost, baby, and 17 hours of playback time. They are Sweatproof, Ultralight, and it's a completed headset for running workouts with a comfortable fit and USB-C power supply. Unbeatable comfort and lightweight design. This is the best value open-ear sports headphone on the CNET. The RunFree Lite headset is carefully optimized for weight distribution, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit that eliminates worries of slipping and shaking. Wrapped in skin-friendly liquid silicone, these lightweight headphones on the 0.990s provide a wireless and comfortable experience for extended listening during the gym sessions, exercise, running, and more. Because we have an open-ear design and a dynamic sound, we stay connected and aware of our surroundings with this open-ear design sports headphone, which use air conduction technology to enhance the aerodynamic transmission of sound, resulting in a more dynamic and powerful audience experience. We enjoy up to 17 hours of playtime on a single charge to keep our music going for daily and weekly exercises, and only 1 up to 2 hours charge will get full energy back. We have powerful bass and stable connection. Featuring the latest low-frequency enhancement technology and Bluetooth 5.3 transmission, this headphones here offers a seamless audio experience with a significant reduction in distortion and enhanced sound quality. The built-in 16.2mm drivers with an open soundstage improve the sound further, delivering even more powerful bass for a truly immersive audio experience. And crystal clear calls and directional sound. That means the experience of crystal clear audio with this direction sound transmission technology that significantly reduces the sound leakage. And it's equipped with a dual beam-forming microphone array, featuring a noise reduction optimization algorithm, which isolates and enhances our voice while filtering out background noise. This making the phone calls and video conference feel like face-to-face conversations. And of course, it's workout time, so we need it sweatproof and multi-point connection. The RunFree Lite headset is IPX4 rated and equipped with an exercise and outdoor activities carefree thing, because it's anti-sweat design. And it can also pair with 2 devices simultaneously. That means multitasking, baby. We can use an app for upgrade firmware, and we can control the SoundPEATS RunFree Lite headset easily by the buttons. Okay, let's perform pairing mode. We have our smartphone with us. The Bluetooth is enabled, the Bluetooth mode on it. Then we long press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the headset. After these 3 seconds, the light will go on. The headset enters in pairing mode automatically, and the red and the white light flash alternately. We turn on the Bluetooth on our device, our smartphone, or computer or pad, whatever. Then we select the SoundPEATS RunFree Lite from the Bluetooth list to complete pairing. Job's done, okay? Then we can wear it. Then we can have a music headset with us. That's easy, isn't it? Yes, it's really easy. To reset the device, we insert the charging cable into the charging port and make the headset enter the charging status. We long press the power button for 3 seconds. The red and white light will flash alternate twice, a total of 4 seconds to restart the factory reset. We unplug the charging cable and turn it on. The headset reset is completed. And it's really easy to wear. We can have a look. On the right side, there are the buttons to control it, okay? We identify the left and the right side easily. We rotate the headset and find the most comfortable position for us. And then we can use it. We have 3 buttons on it. We have a minus button, a plus button, and an O button. The O button is to play and pause. 2 times for voice assist, 3 times for game mode, and 1.5 seconds for mute. Then we have plus button for volume up once, or next track with 1.5 second push time. Then we have a minus button, the same previous track, for 1.5 seconds, and once it makes volume down. Easier? Yes, the navigation is easy and you can handle this. And these buttons are easy to reach because they are not small, they are big enough, but they're not large. I think they have the right dimensions on it. To charge our device here is easy. We connect it with a Type-C charging adapter to charge it. For example, it can be a power socket with USB port. It can be a computer, a laptop, a tablet, or a power bank. And of course, it can be your smartphone AC adapter for it. Then we can disconnect it if we have to do this by long press the volume button and plus and minus at the same time for 3 seconds. Then it is unpaired, or we turn off the Bluetooth of the mobile phone and the headset will disconnect automatically. And then we have, of course, if we like, an app. You can download the SoundPEATS app out of the App Store and Google Play Store. And then you can make updates with it, firmware updates with it, via the internet, of course. Or you can see how much energy is in the battery system. And you can use an equalizer, and you can switch between game mode or standard mode and so on. That's really cool, because this is a cool headset here, and this is a cool workout headset for you. These are the SoundPEATS Air Conduction Headphones, the RunFree Lite. This is open-ear sports Bluetooth 5.3 headphones with bass boost and 17 hours of playback time. And of course, because of the workout thing, they are sweatproof. They're ultralight. It's an headset for running, for workouts, with a comfortable fit and USB-C reloading option. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.